Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to completely uninstall McAfee from your Windows computer or laptop. First, click on your Start menu, search for Settings, and open the App dashboard. Select Apps from the left-hand sidebar and click on Installed Apps. Use the top search bar to look for McAfee. To run the standard uninstallation method, click the three horizontal dots right next to the application and select Uninstall. If you have multiple McAfee services bundles listed here, you will need to repeat this procedure for each entry. Sometimes this standard method fails or leaves hidden junk tracking files behind. To wipe them out completely, open your web browser, search for McAfee Uninstaller, and open the official support guide on McAfee.com. Scroll down to option 2 and click the link to download the official MCPR tool. Once the download finishes, launch the executable removal package, click Next, and accept the platform license agreements. Enter the exact case-sensitive security validation code shown on your monitor screen and hit Next. Let the utility scrub your system directories for a few minutes. Once the removal confirmation displays, restart your PC to cleanly wipe the remaining registry tracks. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.